Hello friends, my name is Krupesh and I'm going to explain Linux users and group management. So let's see what is Linux. Ubuntu Linux uses group to help you manage users, set permission on those users and even monitor how much time they are spending in front of the PC. Normally a Linux computers have two user account, your own user account and the root account, which is the super user that can access everything on the PC, make system changes and administer other users. Ubuntu works a little differently. Through you can't log in directly as a root by default, and you use the sudo command to switch the root level access when you need to make a change. So let's see the details how Linux users account works. A Linux store list of all users in the etc groups file. You can run this command in the terminal to view and edit the groups and users in your system. Following is the command sudo nano etc groups. Username and password. By default, all user home directories are created and maintained in the home directory. However, the root user's home directory is root. Let's see the user account storage. Local, this option store user accounts in the etc password file. This has been the default configuration used by Linux systems for many years. Etc password, this file contains the user account information for your system. This file contains password for your accounts, user accounts. Then etc group, this file contain your system groups. The super user. What is a super user? By default, one account has elevated privilege to issue any command, access any file, and perform every function. Super user, aka root user, and group number is 0. Must limit use of root. Inexperienced users can cause serious harm. Use of root for non-privileged tasks unnecessary and can be open to attack security and privacy violation. Root can look at anyone's files. Limit what root can do remotely. Ensure a strong password. So let's see the how it manage the groups. Groups are defined in the group file. Each record is composed of the following four fields: group, password, GID, users. Group specifies the name of the group. In the example above, the name of the group is video. Password specifies the group password. So let's see in detail. GID specifies the group ID, number of the group. Users list the numbers of the groups. As with the shadow, each line in G shadow represents a record for a single group. Each record is composed of the following field: group name, password, group admins, group P members. So let's see the what is group. A group is a collection of user accounts. Users in a group can share file and resources based on the permission set for that group. Following are the some commands of the group management. The first is a view group. It checks the group for a user. For all group that specify user belong to, if no username is provided, it shows the group for the current. List all groups. This command read the group file which contain a list of all groups on the system along with their GID group, that is group ID, and member users. For create a group, we can use command sudo group add, then group name. This command create a new group with specified name. Ensure that the group name is unique. The following naming conventions. Add a user to a group. This command is a sudo username ag group name and username. Then remove a user from a group. This is the following command: sudo g password, then username and group name. For delete a group, we can use the command sudo group del and group name. To modify a group, we can use a command sudo group mod, then group name and old group.